Alright guys, so today's video is gonna be a little different. So yesterday night, me and my buddy was driving in downtown Chicago. When we drive past this big downtown apartment, the condo, some motherfucker throw an egg. From like a top floor to my car. I think it was low-key aiming for my friend's car, but then it somehow landed on my car. But it's not really noticeable from here. But if you look closer, there's a big dent right now. So this, I don't know if like I can just polish it out, but there is a dent. And now it's about to be 7:30, which is AutoZone open at 7:30. I'm gonna drive over real quick, get myself a little dance repair kit. So I open up the hood where the dance is. It has a lot of like different plates that's blocking it, so it's really hard to like try to small hammer it out. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can pull it out, and then tonight I'll go over to my buddy's garage. We're gonna try to like see if we can polish it out a little bit of that of the paint that's cracked over there. Alright guys, so just went to AutoZone and get the stuff that I need. So I got this quick dance repair kit. They come with I think a hot glue gun with some plastic stick as well. Also got a tiny hand polisher, easier for me to try to fix it. Alright guys, so here is actually the third attempt that I'm trying to get it pulled out. Oh shit, thing is already lifted up. Alright, so it's not really focusing. Trying to get it focused. But definitely looks a little better now. Doesn't look as noticeable. Still a little bit if you look really close, but it's not as bad. And I also used the little puncher thing. I was punching from the inside and also punching from the outside a little bit, try to like make it even. Yeah, I'll probably try to use this and do another pull again to see if I can get any more out. But as of right now, I think it's better. It's not good. This is not fixed yet, but it's definitely better. And I'm gonna try to see if I can get any more outs before tonight, before I go to my friends and do a little polish. Yeah, I think right now, after we polish the paint maybe off a little bit, like maybe we can get it looks a little better, then yeah, that'll be probably fine till I fix it, or buy a new hood, or buy a universal vent that I was saying earlier, because looking at that is actually a decent spot to put a vent. Alright, hey guys, so me and my friend was planning to do this carbon fiber wrap all over the hood since I got the dent, and we tried to polish it out, but it's not really getting anywhere. I think it actually got into the paint. It's full of scratch from the splash of the eggshell. So yeah, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so now that I just got back, so there's some imperfection from the heating, but look at that. Look at this right now. It looks like I just got a new hood. Yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching the videos. I think I might do a quick walk around next time, and then maybe talk about the car with whatever I have on right now. And yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the new videos.